Hey, if you want to record sounds on your Android phone, I'm gonna show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to find sound recorder on your device. So in my case, it looks like that. That's the sound recorder. So I can open this recorder. That's the first introduction. So I can click to get started and we have to accept every permission. I'm gonna also switch the account to this one. And I'm gonna keep my recordings offline. And right now, okay, we got also option to detect and label speakers. Yeah, I'm gonna enable everything. And right now, if you want to start record, just tap right here. And as you can see right now, it is recording. That's also the transcription. It works really, really good, as you can see. If you want to stop, just click right here. We can also add location. So enable permission to the location. And then we can resume or simply save by tapping right here. So that's our record. Yeah, and that's how it works. But if you don't have this recorder on your phone for some reason, you can open the Google Play Store, tap on the search pool and type sound recorder. And you can download any of these applications. But let's use, for example, this one, the Voice Recorder Pro. So let's get this application on our Android phone. Now we have to wait for a few seconds. And after the installation process, we can tap open. Accept every permission, like it was before, and then tap to record. And as you can see, that's the second way to record. To finish, click right here, and that's our record. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.